Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we discussion about formulation and utilization of ketone body and ketoacidosis. Now, ketone body formation and the utilization and living organism in biology. So, in this article, we discussion about one is formation of ketone body, two is condition of leading of acidosis, and two condition and the leading of ketosis, and the source of utilization, interaction, and the carbohydrate metabolism ratio are relation of ketosis and with the blood and urine reaction with role of endocrine. The formation of ketone body or ketogenesis, it is the observed that acetyl-CoA production during the fatty acid oxidation condition to oxaloacetic acid oxidation in TCA cycle. In oxaloacetic acid, our formation is depressed when glucose are supply restricted. So in this condition, acetyl-CoA cannot be properly metabolized through the citric acid cycle. Acetyl-CoA is consistent from the acetyl-CoA, which is the liver production of acetoacetic, and the acetoacetate acid is reduced from the beta hydroxybutyric acid after the decarboxylation from the acetone. Acetoacetic acid, acetone, beta hydroxybutyric acid is called ketone body. The process of formation of ketone body called ketogenesis. Normally, the ketone body are utilized without being accomplished in the body, but they are maybe abnormal accomplished in the body for fluid known as ketosis, and they exudate through the urine called ketouria. And it's a formation the blood called ketonuria. Seat of formation of ketone body, liver of peripheral, and only seat of ketone body are the normally formed sin concentration of ketone body having been found to be higher in hepatic vein in the other vein. There is substance of prevent the formulation of ketone body, including follow all carbohydrate, 60% of protein from the sugar, maybe from, or 10% of fat and glycerol part. Condition of leading of ketosis. Following the condition of product of ketosis, diabetes mellitus, starvation, and the high fat, low carbohydrate diet, and muscular exercise. Source of ketone body or ketogenic substance are from all fat are 90% of food fat, glycerol, part of the burn as a carbohydrate in the anti-ketogenic. In the protein, ketogenic amino acid is 40%. These are the source from the ketone body are from. It is so that ketone body are utilized rapidly and independently in many tissues with the proper production of CO2 and H2O. A significant amount of normal energy are required for body in the derivation in the source. In his the so that tissue of the diabetes animal, it can be oxidized ketone body completely even if no sugar is burned. Recently, it has been established that human brain are utilized appropriately amount of ketone body during the prolonged starvation. 3-hydroxybutyric acid plus NAD, 3-hydroxybutyric acid dehydrogenase acetoacetate plus NADPH2. Acetoacetate is acetoacetate plus succinic acetyl-CoA 3-oxaloacetate 3-acetyl-CoA transferred. Acetoacetate acetyl-CoA and plus succinic acid. Acetoacetate plus ATP and acetyl-CoA is converted to AMP, acetoacetic plus thiokinase, AMP, PPI. Acetoacetyl-CoA plus CoA is converted to acetyl-acetyl-CoA to form in use this two molecular acetyl-acetyl-CoA used in citric acid cycle. Interaction of the carbohydrate metabolism in ketone body. It has been observed that the ketone body only appears when enough carbohydrate is burned. It is thus so that ketone body are utilized freely without any sugar being the oxidized. The interaction between the sugar oxidation and ketone formation lie into the fact of diabetic mellitus starvation. It is the glucogen count of the living being low. Has been considered of fatty acid not esterified and the ketone body with highly carbohydrate fatty acid. Carbohydrate spray. This is the energy required for any must be there is supply in oxidation of fat. The reason there resemble is the deposit of large quantity of brought to the liver organism and the local fat. Consequently, the fatty acid are take place in the highly rate of more ketones are formed. They come in the cell and enter the blood stream. Finally, eliminate this through the urine. Due to such a lack of normal urine, so that in ketone. Observe of ketonuria are the form of the faster data the utilize. Hence, the ketosis may be not even due to the non-utilization ketone body, but due to the their overproduction. While the prescribing of diet of production proposition in the ketogenic and the anti-ketogenic substance of the regulation by the ketosis may be avoided. It is a found ratio between the molecule and of the ketogenic substance and the molecular of ketogenic substance excision. The ketone body are the appear in the urine. Clinical rule of the total fat constantly diet may be exist the twice of the carbohydrate. This is a half of the protein, and is the formula is denoted by F or less than 2C by half of 2C BPA. Ketonuria is a rise of ketone body in the blood above the normal value, so that ketonuria. Ketonuria, the when blood or level of ketone body rise above the renal threshold, there are exceeded in the urine. This is the condition known as ketonuria. Ketosis. Accumulation of abnormal amount of ketone in the body in the tissue and the tissue fluid term is ketosis. There is uremia excreted by the beta hydroxybutyric acid excreted by 2 mg per daily. During the ketosis, acetic acid, acetoacetic acid, and beta hydroxybutyric acid are the form. These are the all acid alkalosis are usually associated with the condition acidosis. In the body of increase the acid of the urine. Due to the relationship between the acidosis and ketosis, in acetoacetic body are the generally found in highly acid urine. But it must be resemble that the acidosis is the result and not cause for ketosis. A large part of the acid is urine excreted and the anemia. It is mainly are nutraceutical condition of sodium like sodium of the loss. In the sodium loss is loss of plasma, other body fluid are the consequently loss of body fluid. It is highly interesting and the even genesis of the alkalosis of ketone body may be found in the urine. This is a maybe demonstrate the subject which is the experimental alkalosis in production of prolonged volume of. It is the probability. It is the condition beta hydroxybutyric acid and acetoacetic acid, etc. migrate out the cell of neutralize the alkali and the steroid in the urine. Due to the decomposition result is long stand due to the therapeutic administration of the alcohol, a comeback of acidosis due to the true alcohol mentioned above. Role of the keto, ketosis. Role of the ketosis is the in pituitary gland. This is the growth or somatic hormone. Other in the pituitary production. Ketosis is the diet of diabetes mellitus starve and due to the inhibition of insulin secretion depress the glucogenesis. Insulin are prevent the ketosis and the administration of clearly condition of ketosis in diabetes mellitus. This is the effect due to the follow. In the increase the liver glycogen and prevent the metabolization of the fat due from the deposition of the reduce the liver fat. Consequently, fatty oxidation is the discourage of the mode of carbohydrate burn leads to less ketone in the formation. So ketosis is disappeared. Insulin are antagonize or the growth of somatic hormone on the anterior pituitary. Adrenal cortex. Cortex is the adrenal gland is adipokines while lies the deposition of fat of liver or oxygen. Okay, now we discussing in the article we discuss different form in this my lecture in the form of observation acetyl CoA production during the fatty acid oxidation condition of oxaloacetic acid in the TCA cycle. The oxaloacetic acid is form of depressed from glucose. A supply is restriction of the condition of acetyl CoA cannot be production of metabolized through the acetic acid. In here you see that the oxaloacetic acid is formed in depression in the glucose supply restriction of the condition acetic acid. It cannot be probably metabolized through the acetic acid. This acetic acid is condition formed by acetic acid in the liver of production of acetic acid. Acetic acid reduction of form beta hydroxybutyric acid has been decarboxylation form of acetic acid. In the beta hydroxy is called beta hydroxybutyric acid with acetic acid and acetone is combined is called ketone body and is combined like acetic acid, ketone body, acetic acid, acetone and beta hydroxy which combined is called acetic ketone body. This is the process of formation of ketone body called ketogenesis. Normally, the ketone body, it is the liver prepare only for sheet of ketone body is normally formed by concentration of ketone body is found in the higher hepatic vein in the other vein. Okay, thank you so much for hearing.